everyone, Thomas from MGMClassicCars.com coming to you from Addison, Illinois. And right now I have this 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle that looks like a super sport, but it's not a real super sport. Beautiful black tuxedo paint job all around the car. As you can see, the front power disc brakes, correct wheels, radial TA tires, nice chrome bumpers, back, front, dual exhaust, all the emblems, all the trim around the wheel opening moldings around the windows, door handles. Really nice around the car. Front chrome bumper is in great condition, along with the grille and the bezels in the front. It's got the cowl induction hood, flapper door, also with the SS hood pins as well. Okay, so we're going to continue here and move a little bit closer to the paint, just so I can show you the finish on the paint and the reflection in the paint. And they did a pretty nice job on it. I mean, it's like a mirror finish, to be honest with you. Like I mentioned, the BF Goodrich tires in the front. No blemishes in the fender. Nice driver's door. Okay, look at that reflection there. No bubbling down here. Nice, slick, and smooth. Little imperfection right down here, as you can see. Okay. I'll point out and nitpick my own car, so you guys don't have to do it for me. And I do this honestly because I like to sell honest cars. Nice vertical strip. Roof line looks great. You got your side mirror there and all the stainless on the front of the window. Okay. There's the quarter. No blemishes, no issues there. Trunk lines up pretty nice, as you can see the gaps. The white paint on the stripes has a little metallic to it. I'm not sure if you guys can capture that. The rear bumper does look original to the car. Nice quarter, no blemishes on the bottom there. There's a couple blemishes along here. But besides that, gorgeous paint. Yep, everything there looks great. Let's check out the interior. Door lips look great all the way down. Newer SS door panels. Rockers look good. Inside the door jambs look good. Seat belts intact, front and back. There's your nice package tray. Tight headliner. Dome light will need a bulb. Dash pad is new. Yes, it is a 4-speed. Okay. Let's check out the driver's side, or should I say the passenger side. And then we'll do the trunk. We'll check that out, and then we'll check out the engine compartment too. So passenger side, actually the door panels are both brand new. Door lips look great along with the rockers. Weather stripping is good on the car. It's newer, as you can see. Okay. Doors open and close. Nice. It's got a great look to it. Let's check out the trunk now. For you guys that don't know, this is where the fuel is, right down there. Twist that open, and that's where you put the fuel. Very solid trunk. So, I don't know if you can see, but right there is the original numbers for the GM stampings for the quarter. And when I slide my hand up in here and down below, everything does feel original to the car. Okay, solid trunk as well throughout. And here is your passenger side quarter. The numbers are a little bit more visible there, and same thing, it does appear to be original on that side as well. But the bottom part, as you can see, this line that runs across here, from, I would say, from here down, all the sheet metal has been replaced. Okay? It did a pretty good job, nice and clean. Under the trunk lid's been painted. Very solid. Very solid. Let's check out the engine compartment now. So because of the SS hood pins, you have to be very careful when you're taking these hood pins off because you could scratch your car. So very neat, very nice and easy. And take them off on both sides. Okay. And then right down here, while you're pulling this, you would lift this open, okay? All right, well, yes, it's a 454 big block V8, correct valve covers, correct air filter, correct manifolds, power steering, front power disc brakes. And right here is your cow tag, which will tell you what the original color code of the car was. And this right here is the number. Let's take a look. 78. Okay, so if you guys want to do a little research about a car you might be buying, Google that. Google 1971 Chevelle paint code 78. And that is what this color was originally. And now it's a Tuxedo Black. Nice core support, nice inner fenders, newer battery, nice firewall. Okay. 4-barrel carb, upgraded ignition, huge fan, no overheating problems. Looks good. Looks really good. Okay. I'm gonna fire it up. All now. Right, key in the ignition. 1-2 pumps. Starts right up. So this one's showing 76,977 miles. That's believed to be original to the body of the car. Left turn signal. The bulb here is burned out, but the right one does function, okay? And pressing the horn, but there's no horn. So be aware of that, there's no horn. And when I put the wipers on, they do not come on. So those are some of the things that do not work on the car. And right now the heat and defrost is not coming on, but everything is hooked up, okay? So just be aware of those items. Car sounds good, man. Let's listen to the exhaust. Sounds great, doesn't she? Oh yeah. All right, now what we'll do is we'll go for a test. Dude, you're smoking the tires in this car anytime you want. Okay? This thing moves out. I don't know what's on the internals of this 454, but it's definitely beefed up a little bit. So the car's got 2 set of keys, okay. Temp gauge, oil pressure gauge works fine. You got over 60 pounds of oil pressure. Clutch feels great. Trans shifts excellent. No oddball noises in the car from the rear end. Everything sounds like it should. Stereo works. It's got a Kenwood CD player with an auxiliary cord plug-in if you wanted to plug in your smartphone, listen to your own tunes. TAC works, RPM works. This is a great car, guys. Yeah, it needs a couple little minor things. Nothing of a big deal, like I pointed out to you. Also, on the driver's side quarter, there is a little ding. It's very hard to see in the video and in the photos, but there is a little ding. I'm sure Dent Busters can get that out for 75 bucks if you guys needed that. The car drives nice and smooth. We're doing 60 miles an hour at 2,500 RPM. Set up for long cruises. And it pulls nice. I mean, it doesn't lack power at all. You want to smoke the tires, you can. Not a problem. So if you guys need delivery, call me, text me, email me your zip code. I'll get you a quote. Need financing, you're going to need at least a 650 credit score. From a 650 to a 700, you're going to need 10% down, maybe a little more. If you're over 725, there's another bank that I use with no money down. But the more you put down, the less your payment will be. And those are easy, quick approvals. Obviously, you pay your bills on time. Lenders will borrow you money. If you don't, you miss payments. It's not going to happen. Okay, you can also use your own bank if you wanted to as well. Okay, before you plug in your social security number to get a loan, call me, text me, email me. Make sure this car is available. If it is, and honestly you're confident in your credit score and your income, I suggest to leave a deposit, because the first person to leave a deposit will get the car. There's more buyers than these cars available. As you can see, these Chevelles are going up every year, 7 to 10%. It's got a cool SS steering wheel on this car as well. Really cool car, man. Really cool. Temp gauge is not functioning on the car, so take that in mind as well. It just been driving this car for a little bit. Just wanted to see if it got warmed up, and it did, but the gauge is not functioning. So, like I said earlier, a couple little things that it needs. Any mechanic can take care of it. Okay, we can finish off the video here. Car moves out, gentlemen. I know doubt about that. Suspension feels really tight and nice on the car as well. Oh yeah, you know what I'm talking about. So we're gonna head back to the shop right now. If you guys have any questions, please refer to my descriptions. Maybe those can that can answer some of them for you. And if not, call me or text me at 847-848-1850, and I would be more than happy to answer any questions for you guys. So again, here we are. 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle, big block 454 4-speed car. Beautiful Tuxedo Black paint. Here's that little ding I was trying to tell you guys about earlier. If you can see that or not, it's right there. I don't know if it's visible or not, but there is one there, just being transparent on everything on the car. So if you guys need any financing or anything like that, go to my website, mgmclassiccars.com. Get yourself a beautiful big block 71 Chevelle, ready for a new home. Drives excellent. Talk soon.